All right, the set just got a whole lot more handsome, more knowledgeable, and just more professional. Everybody, it's time now for Case or No Case. Joining me is Lou Cairo, our guy from GWC Injury Attorneys, and today we have 3 cases that we're going to determine if they are a case or if they are, in fact, not a case. Lou, we're going to be putting Felicia and Carly to the test, which is always scary to see who guesses the answers right.
Scary.
Today, we're talking about on-the-job injury. Lou.
Right. So this really could apply to absolutely anybody, any of your viewers. This could happen to anybody. You're working on the job and you get an injury. Most people don't want to report their injury initially because they don't want the boss to get mad, right? So someone gets hurt, they have a couple of witnesses there, but the boss isn't there. So they say, don't say anything to the boss. Well, they go to the doctor, they're treating, and about a month later, they realize, but this is getting more serious than I thought. I need to get medical treatment more, and I need to talk to the boss. So they go and they report it. And the boss says, well, wait a minute. Our rule here at the company is you have to report your accident immediately. You waited 30 days. So they say no case. The person says, well, wait a minute. Once the doctor said I need more treatment, I decided to report it. So the question is, does he have a workers' compensation case when he waited 30 days and the rule is 1 day according to the boss?
I'm going to say case because they're still injured and people still saw it. So let's hope that they can get taken care of.
Yeah, no case. You got to report this immediately. You can't just wait. How do we know you didn't hurt it at playing basketball the 2 nights later?
Well, you sound like a boss. That's what a boss would typically say. But the law says you have 45 days.
45 days.
But if you don't do it in 45 days and you have 100 witnesses, but the boss wasn't told, you have no case. So.
Carly, great work. Felicia, you're embarrassing us. Pick it up, please. All right. Now,
we still love you.
Said my mother.
Never said that. All right. Now, what about the injured worker's medical treatment?
So now the same worker is going to the doctor. He picked the first 2 doctors off of a Google medical search, and they said you need surgery. He didn't really want to get surgery, right? So he's like going to doctor after doctor after doctor, and eventually he says, okay, I guess 5 doctors say I need surgery. They set it up. The hospital and the surgeon say, we canceled your surgery because workers' comp's not paying. Calls it workers' comp, and they said, well, you're just doctor shopping. You can't pick all these doctors off of Google. We're not paying for your medical bills. Case or no case? Do they owe the medical? Yes or no?
I'm saying case.
That's an intense case decision.
Yeah.
You would really think that they should pay, right?
Yes.
There's another rule in workers' comp that nobody knows. Your viewers do not know this. You can only choose 2 doctors. If you choose a 3rd, a 4th, or a 5th, you have to pay it out of your own pocket. So how do you avoid that? Real quick, you get a referral by your doctor. See your doctor. Okay. When he says you need another doctor, get a referral. You've seen 2, but you've only chosen 1.
Oh.
If you need to see another, get a referral, get a referral. You can see 20 doctors, and as long as they're all referral, you only chose 1, and workers' comp has to pay. That's what's important.
Oh, that's a really good tip
Get
to know.
referrals.
All my tips are good tips.
Yeah.
Ask my son who's a lawyer. He'll tell you. All my tips are good tips.
Really, really good.
Yeah.
All right, the grand finale here. What about the worker under the influence?
Well,
no.
the guy here, the party animal here, wants to know what happens if you have a little. What happens if you have a little alcohol?
My fiance's here. All right.
She's so beautiful. She won't care. I'm trying to get her number for 2 years. It's not working well. So what happens with the guy that he gets? This gentleman goes to the doctor, and the lawyers are looking at the records, and they, holy cow, this guy's got a little bit of marijuana, or a little bit of cocaine, a little bit of alcohol, some illicit drug or alcohol in his system. Does this affect his ability to get a workers' comp case? The comp lawyer for the company goes, this guy's got drugs or alcohol, we're not paying him $1. The lawyer said, for representing the injured worker says, well, wait a minute, this isn't even close to the legal intoxication level. It's just a little tiny trace. It had nothing to do with why the accident happened. Question is, if there's even a trace of alcohol or illicit drugs in someone's system, does that negate his ability or her ability to have a workers' compensation claim?
I'm going to say no case because it could be from days ago if they had marijuana or something like that, or if they had a drink an hour before they went into work.
Well, if it was days ago, it probably didn't impact the accident. If it was an hour before the accident, maybe it would.
Case.
But it's below the legal limit.
Right.
I don't know.
It's a tough one.
Okay.
I don't know.
Case.
This is the first time you girls bombed the whole show. I have to be honest with you. Now this is another great rule, though. Think about this.
That's why we got the expert
Wait, you
here.
got to tell us.
You
Lou.
have literally a little trace of marijuana from Friday night. You get hurt a week and a half later.
Yeah.
You don't have a case. The law says you're not entitled to your disability while you're off work. You're not entitled to your medical bills paid. You do not get a settlement. You do not pass go. You do not collect $200. You're done just because you did a little bit of partying days or weeks earlier. Just with the laws. It's very, very strict.
Okay.
So 45 days to give notice. You can only choose 2 doctors, get a referral, and don't drink and drive, and don't drink and get hurt or do drugs ever.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my motto.
Just
Good
a lot of
tips,
drugs.
Lou.
That's really good.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Keep these in mind.
That's what I'm here
Very
for.
important.
Yeah.
Hey guys, next time I won't be here. Do better than that.
We're gonna
We don't want
we're
to
gonna miss
disappoint
you.
We know you're going to still be watching.
Of course I will. Lou, we love you, man. Thank you for joining us. And for more information, just head to gwclaw.com. It's just that simple.